name is Mary Thornburg, and today I'm going to be conducting a progressive reflection video. So I'm going to begin right about now. During my intro to nursing research class in my junior year of college at Morehead State University, I was to conduct a critical appraisal of a quantitative research study. This was a part of the curriculum and was an individual project, so I had no other team members. This included the finding and analysis of a current peer-reviewed article that utilized quantitative methods of research study. This required a few hours of time commitment as I needed to find and fully annotate an acceptable article and then create a well-articulated video presentation fully dissecting the components of this article. My goal with this appraisal was to facilitate my own knowledge of proper technique when critically appraising a quantitative research study, as I have never done so before. This knowledge is needed as an aspiring nurse, which I am, for constant adaptation in newfound research within the healthcare system. I needed to identify and critique all the present and non-present elements within the article so that I can understand what is required of a well-conducted study and how I can fully utilize a well-conducted study in my own practices as a future nurse. I first began my critical appraisal by finding a quantitative study on how the pandemic has affected nursing students and nurses alike because I found this to be a very interesting topic and I felt fit the sort of appraisal needs of a current study that we're still learning more about. I then reviewed this article, and once I first reviewed this article, I then proceeded to dissect the article for each of its individual parts to fully understand the process of conducting a quantitative study. After I'd done so, I then recorded my analysis of this article and was able to fully understand the implication of its results and how they can fully be implemented into the healthcare system. After my submission of this critique, my analysis from my instructor provided me with further critiques on my critiques, stating that I performed an excellent job of the analysis in the context of the research study. My own self-critiques, though, I believe I need to further learn how to provide a concise manner of analyzing an article so that I can get my point across better because I find that I ramble often with these types of analyses. I was able to learn the importance of being able to accurately analyze research of a quantitative type, and I believe that this skill is incredibly important for a nursing student as it helps to employ evidence-based practices and can help to improve further patient care. So, thank you very much.